Today I'm going to show you how to install our express off-ramp on other brands' trough. So the easiest way to do it is you take this piece that's already pre-assembled with the bracket to the trough, and you just slide it over the edge of the trough like that. And then you're going to take this black piece, this metal piece, and this is what's going to hold that bracket onto this trough. So both troughs I have today have this channel in the back. Both of these other brands have a channel. So you're going to line up these T-bolts, screws into the trough, and then once they're in there, you can turn all four of these screws to tighten it down. There you go. This kit will also work on 4-inch trough. This is a 6-inch trough. And then we do have a separate kit for larger trough, for 12-inch trough, and for 24-inch trough. So now I'm just disassembling it, loosening this bracket, taking it off, and then I'm going to show how you install it on this one as well. Again, you hook the express off-ramps over the edge of the trough. Again, you line up these T-bolts so they go into the channel back here. You just keep tightening them until they will catch underneath that lip in the channel. So it's secured on there. And then there you go. The advantage of the express, of course, is we didn't have to cut into the trough at all to install this bracket, right? So if you're adding in this afterwards to retrofit, you don't have to cut the trough. You don't have to remove any of the fiber.